Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making apple pie. Okay, so first I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees and then I'm gonna wash and peel all of my apples. So now I have all of my sliced apples, and I have 8 cups of sliced apples, and I'm going to mix it with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So now I'm gonna add 3/4 a cup of sugar. 1. Now I'm going to mix all these ingredients up. Say hi! Say hi to the video! Hi! I'm gonna pour the sugar mixture into the apples. Add this little wrapping paper and then I roll it out. So yeah. Apple mixture into it. Okay, so now I'm going to slice up butter and put a little bit inside of it before I put the top layer of crust on, and then I put most of it on the outside. I use the top part of my homemade crust and unfold it on top. I like to press the edges together of the other crust. Now I'm going to chop up butter all over the top. I'm going to put it in the oven for about 50 minutes. Okay, so I also wanted to go ahead and talk about the giveaway that I'm doing. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what one of you will be winning. I'm so excited. You'll be winning this little serving bowl. It's great for dips or chips or anything. And it's super cute. It has little wavy edges. And so I'm really excited for one of you to be winning this. And all you have to do to win this is subscribe to my channel, like every video, comment, and if you share the videos, any of the videos, if you share them, then it will get you an extra entry. So I'm so excited about this, guys, and it's a super cute bowl. It's from a boutique in my town called Partridgeberry, and so I'm so excited for one of you to win it, and I'm honestly jealous I can't keep it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece and show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and taste test it for you guys. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It was delicious. I recommend that totally. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to do those things to be entered in the giveaway. And bye guys, see you next time.